this. Let's go to see what BA looks like. Create a drawing set. Next up, we have BA on January 21st, 2025. January 21st, 2025. First, I'm gonna go into daily. Look for gaps, no real gaps. 4-hour time frame. Let's see. Can't break and hold. I like this triple top in this area, but I'd rather do this low instead of these two highs because I feel like I'm being a little bit greedy. So I'd rather catch the first resistance that aligns right before this one to play it safe. Let's go to 932. Boom, same thing. We break out, we break through the high that we're watching, reject over the 1 minute uptrend, flat bottom, double bottom, intraday high break right here. Let's see. Let's go to 935. Breaking straight through. And I like this pullback on BA because if you play BA, you know that BA's contract doesn't open up at open. It takes a while to settle and open up. So on this pullback and on this double bottom reversal, I'm pretty sure the contracts were open at this time and it gave people a chance to get in. Nice though. Let me see. Back down. Next we have BA on December 31st, 2024. December 31st, 2024. December 31st, 2024. 31st, 2024. First, I'm gonna check for gap. Boom, we got gap. Gap start, gap end. Let's see. All right, let's go to the 4-hour time frame now. 4-hour time frame. The start of the gap aligns with the prior day high, so that's good. So now we're gonna go to 929, and let's see. So basically, we look like we might not need to set up in any in-between levels. So we have that resistance, kind of lines up with this resistance. Let's see. We have another one here, 178. Let's see. see how we got there, or even better, there's one here. Boom. See what happens at these levels. Because anything could happen in the gap. We could break into the gap, fill it halfway, and pull back. So let's see. All right, let's go to the 1 minute. All right. So right here, we have a rejection at the 1 minute trend, and the second candle breaks out above, taking out the high of the first candle with this double bottom right here. Let's see, boom. Take out the high, break out, fill most of the gap. Nice. So this wasn't the entry. The entry was literally the high of this candle before the start of the gap. And getting in here will fix your risk to reward a little bit better for the play to play out.